Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about white pepper, just a little bit of basic information about it. I've got some white peppercorns here in this grinder bottle. This is a peppercorn blend and you can see some white ones in there. What are these things? White peppercorns actually come from the same plant as black peppercorns. They're harvested in the middle of the season and then they're soaked to remove that outer layer, and then they're dried, and by removing that outer layer it keeps them that lighter color because you're actually looking at the inner part of the peppercorn itself. The flavor of white pepper is sharper, brighter, a little bit hot when compared to that of black pepper. So if you've never used white pepper, know that it's not exactly the same flavor as black pepper. It is sharper and has a little bit of heat to it. When you're shopping for white peppercorns, you want ones that are creamy white but that don't look like they're bleached white. They may have been treated in some way that you may or may not want. They should be relatively uniform in size and have no specks of gray or black on them. They are especially good in soups and stews and marinades and stir fries, and they can be used whole or ground. They're also good in white sauces because then you won't see the specks of black pepper in them. It'll blend right on in a white sauce. And cream soups, the same thing. It blends right in the color, and so it's not noticeable. Goes especially well also with fish, poultry, and grilled meats. I do hope this helps you out. If you have any questions or comments below, let me know. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.